Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your T900 Ultra smartwatch to your iPhone. First, make sure your T900 Ultra is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the specific companion application from the Apple App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your iPhone by navigating to the settings or swiping down from the top right corner to access the control center. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Once the app is installed, open it on your iPhone. The application will guide you through adding a new device. Look for your T900 Ultra in the list of available Bluetooth devices that appears. After selecting it, both your iPhone and smartwatch will display a pairing request. Confirm this request on both devices, usually by tapping pair or a similar option, to establish the connection successfully. After successful pairing, it's time to personalize your experience. Grant the companion app all necessary permissions for features like notifications and health data tracking. Dive into the app's settings to choose from various watch faces, adjust your notification preferences, and set daily activity goals. Remember to regularly synchronize your health and fitness data between your T900 Ultra and the iPhone application for accurate tracking. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the T900 Ultra smartwatch often resolves the issue. Always ensure your companion app is updated to its most recent version for the best performance and access to new features. For a consistently stable connection, keep your smartwatch and iPhone within a close range, ideally within 10 meters or about 33 feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.